Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Search Console for keyword indexing step by step clearly. To activate Google Search Console for keyword indexing, start by visiting the Google login using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, click on the Start Now button. Next, you'll need to add your website property. Enter your website's URL into the designated box. Choose the appropriate property type between domain or URL prefix. For a domain property, ensure you own the entire domain. For a URL prefix, select the exact version of your website. Click on the Continue button after entering the URL. You will need to verify your ownership of the website. Google provides several verification methods. Select the method that works best for you, such as HTML file upload or meta tag. Follow the instructions for your chosen verification method. After you've completed the verification steps, return to Google Search Console. Click on the Verify button to confirm your ownership. Once verified, you'll gain access to your website's dashboard. Explore the various features available in Google Search Console. To enable keyword indexing, navigate to the Performance section. Check the data regarding clicks, impressions, and average positions. To submit a sitemap, go to the Sitemaps section on the left menu. Enter your sitemap URL into the provided field. Click on the Submit button. This allows Google to better understand your site's content. Regularly monitor the coverage report for indexing status. Address any issues that might arise to ensure all pages are indexed. Utilize the URL inspection tool to check the indexing status of specific pages. Make necessary adjustments based on the feedback provided. Remember to keep your content updated to improve overall keyword indexing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.